A reporter's microphone should never become a reason to be attacked. But that's exactly what happened during the CJP protest in the national capital. 3 Times Network journalists were targeted while carrying out their professional duty. The cameras were rolling, the microphones were on, and they captured the mob turn on our reporters. Times Now reporter Dev Kotak had been on the ground for days. He was covering the protests at Delhi's Jantar Mantar. Yesterday, as he made his way to interview the CJP spokesperson Saurav Das, the crowd suddenly turned on him. And what followed was a relentless assault that saw his phone, his watch and his glasses being snatched away. Here his first-hand account on what happened.
This is what happened to him. Completely unfortunate that he was beaten up, thrashed, his clothes have been torn, he's been kicked. You can look at the shoe marks that are there on his shirt. His jeans have been torn, his watch was taken. That's the kind of ridiculous behavior that the CJP protesters are doing with the media. If you physically assault reporters and journalists like this, what exactly are you trying to prove? And aren't you taking away from your very cause? Dev, tell us, what time did this happen? How did this happen?
So I had gone to Jantar Mantar to seek an interview with one of the co-founders, Saurav Das. So while Saurav was speaking on stage, me and my cameraman Rajesh Sharma quietly waited. Because the whole scenario began to get a little more intense, the volunteers suggested that we clear out the place for about an hour and come back when it becomes a little more quiet. Just as we were getting out and going on to the Jantar Mantar garden side, we started getting heckled. Until the time there was slurs, sloganeering of Godi media, it was fine. But the assault started. There were slaps, there were kicks, there were punches, water bottles thrown.
How many people were there?
A mob of over 100 people.
100 people on you only?
Yeah.
That's crazy. What were those 100 people? What were they so angry about?
They were saying, आप लोग हमारी कहानी नहीं बताते हो, आप बेईमानी करते हो, हमारे भी कुछ लोगों को कल लगा है. So they are upset.
Isn't that ridiculous? Because you were there. You've been here for 22, 23 days. Please tell the viewers how long you've been covering the CJP protest, who all you've interviewed within the CJP, and why would they say something like this? Because you're someone who's been here since day one.
Out of the 3 co-founders, I have interviewed both Saurav Das and Abhijit Dipke, having met both of them on several occasions. The members also know me, but the volunteers were behind the barricade closer to the stage. And I was on an unprotected side where the mob fury was coming onto me. It was a case of mob lynching. They kept hitting me, punching me throughout as I tried to make my way out. More people kept coming. However, some nice people were there in the form of protesters who formed a human shield around me to protect me. But what really happened really shook me to the core. But at that point in time, it was top priority for me to save my life and get out from there alive.
Now, Times Now also questioned the people from the CJP on the assault on Dev Kotak, my colleague, during this protest, seeking answers over the violence unleashed at their platform. Now, they condemned the attack, maintained that there is no place for violence, and also called for peace and calm.
Dev is a friend, and he is a fantastic, brilliant reporter. This shouldn't have happened. And we as a movement are very, very sorry that this has happened with him and other journalists, reporters who are on the ground. The people are very angry with the media, and hence this has happened. We have issued an appeal that everybody should maintain calm and peace. Otherwise, the entire narrative changes from our demands to things like this. There is absolutely no place for violence in democracy. There is no place for violence in the CJP protest. Everybody should exercise caution, and it is appealed that anyone creating such violence should be sidelined. They should be asked to leave the premises of the protest.
This is unacceptable. Anyone and everyone who did it cannot be a part of this movement.
Have there been any attempts on part of the CJP leadership to identify and remove them from this side there?
We have already said this. We have already said this yesterday as well. No form of any heckling is acceptable. If you disagree with a journalist, if you don't like their work, please move away, but no form of violence will be accepted or tolerated on CJP ground.
This was announced from the stage to the protesters?
We have done that multiple times. I did it today morning as well. We do it 10 times a day. We really apologize for anyone who was heckled.
And this is unacceptable. You can have your differences, but to attack somebody, to mob him is just unacceptable. Well, that's all we could bring for you in this edition of The Urban Debate. Thank you for watching. Good night.